Good afternoon. I'm Ampy-Thomas. I'm currently a sophomore majoring in animal and poultry science, and today I'll be presenting my design appreciation project. What is design? Prior to starting this course, my first thought about design was just texture and architecture, basically how items look. But after this course, I have learned design is so much more. The following slides will shock you on how they have affected our society as a whole and how you have to start designing a new plan to change some of the negative aspects. Technology. Technology may be one thing that comes to your mind when you think about design, but probably not in the way I'm going to explain. Technology is helpful and allows us to do much more, but technology is having a negative impact on our society in the US and as well as other countries. For example, many Americans are losing their jobs due to technology being made that can take their place. Where will this leave many Americans? This is a consequence that is not being taken into consideration. Roads. We see roads in the light of being able to travel and to get places. But have you actually thought about how highways are busy and how they're ruining our lives? Probably not. The roads and paths I have presented are more like what we should be building, which will allow people to safely walk from location to location or bike, depending less on cars, which are emitting fuels that are ruining our environment and air quality. This will help us benefit overall from our air quality to our longer lifespans. Industrial buildings. These factory buildings are releasing chemicals that could potentially be harmful to humans as well as animals. Yes, they have come a very far away from what they used to be, but there are still many things in place that need to be fixed. But this doesn't go across the board for other countries. There are countries where kids had to wear masks prior to the pandemic because the amount of air pollution was so high. Fast foods. Fast foods are becoming more and more of an issue for our society. They're easily accessible and cheap. This makes it more likely for people and families to eat there, which is causing more people to become obese. Too much of these fast foods and restaurants and junk food can lead to health problems like diabetes, stroke, high blood pressure, and in some cases, even death. Trash. As you may know, there's plenty of trash thrown away on a regular basis, and some people recycle, but that just simply isn't enough. So just wanted to inform the public about the mounds of trash which we have collected up to this point. Where does it go? Typically to a landfill, where the trash just piles up until another layer of clay can be placed on top of it, which takes years for it to actually degrade into the soil. Also, due to the amounts of trash that we're collecting, some is getting put into the ocean. This is polluting our water and our animals, which is very detrimental to our environment. So now what? So obviously there are some bumps and some flaws in how we have designed out our society to be today. Since we have acknowledged this, we need to start to make a change and proceed to find better ways to deal with it. We need to deal with trash, pollution, and etc. Or people could decide not to do anything. And this will slowly allow the world to become a place that will be inhabitable. And this is not what we need to do for the future of us and my peers, as well as for our children. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.